Why would one person look at their partner and feel insecure, thinking that their partner will leave them, cheat on them, or not care about them, even if there's no real evidence to suggest that? Yet another person will look at their partner and feel secure, not worry at all, and be able to actually enjoy their relationship without fear. Well, why do two people look at the same painting and have wildly different perspectives? It's because each of them have their own ideas, experiences, and beliefs that they're projecting onto that painting. An insecure person believes they aren't good enough because of past negative experiences. And because of that, any situation that comes up in a relationship is a direct reflection on if they're good enough as a person. For example, if my partner doesn't text me, then that must mean they don't want to talk to me or don't think I'm important enough. A secure person has built up a confidence and self-assuredness so that they no longer view what happens in the relationship as a reflection of their own worth. They see the situation for what it really is instead of projecting their fears and doubts onto it. They believe they are good enough. And if they truly believe that, then the idea of not being good enough for their partner disappears. And even if the worst thing does actually happen, the confidence and certainty about themselves is still there and can support them through it. And because it wasn't built or provided by the other person, it becomes impossible for them or anyone else to take it away. If you want to learn to build that belief within yourself, you can work with me personally by going to my profile link. Otherwise, follow me for more content on becoming secure.